Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn on how AI tools can help us in getting the content in minutes and not spend hours of time in Google. Let's start. Best AI tools for small business 2026. So this is the topic I am taking today. Okay. With along with this, I'll take several other topics. Let's open quickly some tabs to understand. Okay. So you can see to read this post, it will take a lot of time for you. Okay. So we have a lot of content over here, right? So to understand these posts, also the complexity, everything will take time. Now go for ChatGPT business productivity. Okay. So here we will go, to the LinkedIn post, the Reddit post. Okay. Yes. So let's go to LinkedIn. So for the LinkedIn, you can see here, to read this, understand that it's a long process, right? So here the Reddit, it will have the comments as well. Okay. So long process completely. Okay. Now AI tools compared 2026. Okay. So here we'll go for some blog. We have blog, we have one more. Okay. We have videos as well, but let's stick to blog. Okay. So here you can see, to go through these blogs, right? It will easily take you 10 to 15 minutes. And for the lengthier ones, it will be more of the time, around 30 minutes. Okay. So to read all these tabs, right, it will certainly take a lot of time. So how we can save it? So we can have a workflow. Okay. The workflow is we'll define, we will search, we'll verify, we'll understand, we'll synthesize, and then do a fact check. Now let's define. Okay. Yeah. What I actually need to know. So a kind of requirement. For which AI tools save the most time for small business owners. Okay. Free or low cost only. Focus on email, customer service, content operations. Practical, no theory. So this is defined. Okay. Now we'll give a prompt. So in ChatGPT, I've given a prompt. What are the most effective AI tools for small business owners to save time in 2026? This is what I had defined earlier over there, right? So I've given a hit. Now it's giving you the response, right? So you can see over here, you are not able to find whether this is the fact. Okay, this is a true fact or not. Okay, so you can see over here, no sources were present. Now we'll give the same prompt to perplexity. Okay, so you can see it's already giving you the sources from where it has picked, right? So these are the sources you can see. Cool. Now it's going on. Yeah, it has completed the response and you can go through them. Okay, but still it's again a lot of stuff to read, right? Okay, so sources are given at the end as well, even in the places, so you can click on it. It will open you the proper sites where it has got the content. So it's not faking. Okay, it's giving you the proper result by finding the things. Another different site. Okay, so these are the sites it has referred to give you the response, and it took only few minutes, few seconds in fact. Okay, so these are the 10 sources you can see. Now you saw a difference between ChatGPT and Perplexity, where source citations were not present. Okay, now let's go to Claude. We'll give a prompt, okay, to understand and summarize, okay, whatever the actual paragraph was provided. Okay, we copied and we are now pasting it down. Okay, right, pasted and then hit. Okay, so now you can see here it will give you a precise one because I have asked for the simple explanation. Okay, so the simple explanation of the previous paragraph was over here. Okay, right, so this is what it gave. Now we will give another prompt and ask it to give the 3 Tamsin tools. Okay, so I gave the same content and I've given it to provide the tools for me. Okay, so it will give you the response, right? So this is the response: ChatGPT, website chatbot, Canva AI, right? So this is how quickly you will get the responses. Okay, and not waste a lot of time in Google. So verify before use. Okay, is there a specific statistic? Verify it. Citation, source, recent, check the date, medical, legal, financial. Then you have to verify with the professional. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel.